Today we are going to be repairing this mini fridge that I picked up for free that had a bad temperature controller using one of the STC1000 temperature controllers that can be obtained rather cheaply on AliExpress. As you can see here, I've already removed the faulty temperature controller and pulled the wires out through the hole on the inside. And around back, you can see that I've disconnected the wires that run inside to the temperature controller area. And I just temporarily bypassed the temperature controller to make sure the compressor would run and the fridge would get cold, and it does. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to disassemble this. So in order to do that, a little hard to do with one hand, but pop the back off. Then next you're going to want to slide these two red pieces off. Then using your fingernail, get underneath here on both sides. And the front will come off and the PCB will pull out. Next, I soldered a jumper wire between these 2 points on the back of the temperature controller. Once that's done, reinstall the temperature controller in its case. Next thing I'm going to do is take the included temperature sensor wire and cut it approximately in half. Split the wires going to the temperature sensor, strip them, and connect them with some solder and heat shrink to the 2 wires that are going back that are disconnected now. Leave the ground wire alone. Next, I repeated the same process on the inside of the fridge using the other end of the wire that we cut. Next thing you want to do is place a ferrule connector on each of your hots, as well as join your 2 neutrals together and place 1 ferrule on that. Once you've got your ferrules crimped, you're going to connect your wires like so, with your incoming hot on the far left, your outgoing hot to the compressor right next to it, and then your neutral in that second hole from the end. The last thing to do is to program your controller. So I've got mine set here with a 3-degree target, 0.5 degrees of hysteresis, and a 2-minute compressor delay.